In this problem, we'll factor a polynomial. We're asked to factor the polynomial 6m cubed plus 9m squared plus 3m. The first thing we look for is a common factor. There is a factor common to all three terms. The common factor is 3m. To factor out a 3m, I write the common factor, and then I think 3m times what is 6m cubed. That would be 2m squared. 3m times what is 9m squared. That would be 3m. And 3m times what is 3m. That would be 1. Now when you factor, be careful to write in this term of 1. As a check, you can always multiply out to see if you have the original polynomial. You can also remember that if you start with 3 terms, when you factor out a common factor, what's left inside your parentheses should also have 3 terms. Now I look at the trinomial that's inside the parentheses, and I see if that can be factored. If it can be factored, it will factor into 2 binomial factors. 2m squared can only be factored as 2m times m. So I would have a binomial, the first term is 2m, and the second term is m. Now 1 can only be factored as 1 times 1. So if this factors, it has to factor into 2m plus 1 times m plus 1. Now I don't write that without checking to see if that is the correct factorization. Multiplying out, we have 2m squared plus 2m plus m, which gives me my 3m, plus 1. So the product of the binomials is this trinomial. The product of all 3 of these factors is my original polynomial, and I have factored completely.